Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how you can easily configure the integration between Typeform and Google Sheets for free and without coding. I'll do it using the Apiway service. Apiway is a free integration platform where you can find appropriate software and integrate it with each other without any coding. Apiway charges money from software vendors and promotes them in the software marketplace. That's why it is totally free and has no time limits for end users. Now let's start making the integration. I've made a small quiz in advance using the Typeform service. And of course, it may not be only the quiz, you can create everything you need. I just want to show you how it works. As you can see, here I have 3 fields: name, email and phone number. Also, I made a sheet in the Google. In the first row, you can see the same fields. Now let's go to the Apiway. First, you need to sign up. After you've done this, go to the tab Apps and add Typeform and Google Sheets. Then go to the My Apps. Now you should connect them to your accounts. If you click on the Typeform, you will see that it is already connected. Now let's connect Google Sheets. Click the button Plug, then Sign in with Google. On this page, you should choose which account you want to connect. Click the button Allow, it returns you to Apiway and you will see the green text again. Now both apps are connected. Now we can start to configure the integration. Click Create Away. You can give it the name which you need. For example, Typeform and Google Sheets. Here you can see the field Trigger. In our case, it is Typeform. Here choose Form Completed. And here you can see the link. If you try to go through this link, it won't work. It is only an address to which the data will be sent. Receiving data to this link will be the trigger. You should copy it. Now I return to the Typeform and in the tab Connect find webhooks. Different services may have these in different places. If you can find it by yourself, you can ask the technical support. Here you should click Add a webhook and paste the link here. Now click Save webhook and you will see it here. Don't forget to switch it on. Next, go to the Apiway and click Update available fields. Now you have 3 minutes to complete the Typeform. It will be the test data which teach the service to receive the information. I'll go to my published quiz and complete it. Then I return to Apiway again, and you can see that different fields have appeared here. Now let's set up an action. In the field Choose a service, choose Google Sheets. If you connected all correctly, you will see it here. Here choose Create Spreadsheet Row. Then test the connection and after that click Update available fields. First select the spreadsheet that you need. Then select Worksheet. Here you can have a lot of worksheets, but you have to choose that one in which you want to add information. For me, it will be sheet number 1. And the service shows you fields which you have here in your sheet. Click the plus sign for the name and choose what you need here. For me, it will be Form Response Answer text. Then do the same for phone number and email. Then click Test and Activate. If you want to edit it, you should find it in the tab My Ways, deactivate it, and change everything you need. but don't forget to activate it again. Now I will complete the quiz one more time to check that everything works. Transmission of the data may take a little time. Sometimes it appears immediately, sometimes you have to wait for a while. The time of waiting is up to 15 minutes. And you can see that the information is here: name, email, phone number. In such way, data will appear in rows below, filling in the sheet. In this way, you can easily make integration and automate your work. And of course, don't forget to go to the Apiway website, look through the category that we have, choose appropriate software for you, and make your business process better.